Tired of importing cargo data each time? Maintain the cargo data that won't change following different orders into the cargo database. Then you only need to upload the cargo name and quantity. So easy. Click Cargo Management. 2 ways to maintain cargo data. First, maintain cargo data one by one. Click Create New Cargo, then fill in the information you want to maintain in the database. Second, maintain the cargo data in batches through Excel. Get cargo type import template first, then fill in the template. Save it and then click Import from Excel. Then within 1 second, all the cargo data is uploaded into the cargo database. Please note that each cargo with a dimension should have a unique name. Later, when creating a loading task, you can choose to upload cargo data either directly from database, when cargo quantity is small, or import under order form mode. Get the Excel template first, then only fill in the name and quantity. Upload this Excel, then the software can automatically catch the cargo you need.